Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about conveyor maintenance. We see lots of conveyors coming through our shop. Usually they show up with an engine problem or there's something wrong as far as the drive roller. But what we're seeing is just a few things that are a little bit concerning to us, and the tips that we're going to give you will help you with conveyor life. There's a tray underneath the drive roller on each one of these conveyors that we're noticing isn't getting cleaned out ever. What happens is the material, whatever you're doing, fertilizer, grain, feed, it builds up in there and then attracts moisture and it piles up and starts to rot everything out. And once it builds up enough, it starts to feed into the conveyor and it back feeds, and then you move that material into the belt shields and all that kind of stuff, basically creating a whole bunch of rust and rot. So how you clean that out is there's two latches and you loosen them and then you pull the tray out and you take it, tip it upside down, blow it out. If you've got time for it to sit, you can wash it out. Blowing it out is usually the best idea, then you don't get everything wet. The other thing to do is every once in a while, blow your motor off. A lot of material builds up on the motor. You've got wiring there and electronics. That attracts water and then you start to get connections rotting and things like that. The other one is once in a while you can remove this front cover as well and clean that out. The top cover that collects all of the product and puts it into your spout. And then another good idea is down at the bottom to blow all your hopper off and everything else. It'll just help in the long run to keep everything from rusting and rotting. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.